Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the inverted colors on your PlayStation 5. So if it happens to look like this, we can go up to settings right here and select this, and then go to accessibilities, go to the right. Under display and sound, we want to find where it says the invert colors right here, invert screen colors. So we can check mark this or uncheck mark it and return to normal. Now, if you're trying to do this in the game real quick, we can press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, then go on over to accessibilities. Now, if you don't see it, press options, and you can find it under the hidden controls. Press X on it, and then drag it up to the top bar right here. Now we can go to accessibilities, and then we can go to invert colors right on top, and we can select it under here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.